Hello everyone, welcome back in another video of SQL learning. In this video, I'm going to show you the use of limit keyword. The previous one was about how to use distinct keyword. So let's get going. Okay, before that, let me explain why you need to use limit keyword. Let's just say I want to see just first two record from this table. So let's see how it is done. For that we have to select, then star means all the information, all the records actually. Then from table name, student information, and here we have to use the limit keyword, and I put limit 2. So 2 what just mean it will show us only the first two records. Okay, let's see. Here you can see just 101 and 102 and all the information related to this. What if we want to see the last three records but not the first two one? In order to do that, we have to do it like this. Select star, then we have to define table name, and for it is student information, then you have to look closely here. Limit, first bracket open, first bracket close, then semicolon, here 2 comma 3. So what does it implies? 2 means it will left first two records and show the latter three records. Okay, let's see. Alt plus enter. Let me check where I went wrong. So I got it. Where did I mistake? Actually, I have used first bracket open, first bracket close, which I shouldn't. So now that's all good. Let's just check it out. Alt plus enter. So here you can see the SQL is showing us the last three records and leaving the first two one. So I hope you guys get to learn how to limit your records from table consisting of a lot of information. So let's review it once more. We have to use select star if you want to see all the information, but if we just want to see just particular column, let's just say name, we have to type the column name, then from student information, as this is our table name, then limit 2 comma 3, it means it will leave the first two record, or it won't show as the first two record, but it will show us the latter three records. So let's just check it out. Here you can see it is showing us the last three records. That's all in this video. Hope it was informative enough for you. Goodbye.